this is the look that we are going for. So here we go. I'm going to start with my Mary Kay foundation primer. I'm just going to massage that into her face. This is going to give us a smooth canvas to apply our makeup to, and it will make the makeup last longer. During the video, the camera angles will change a little bit, so just stay tuned and enjoy. This is the foundation that we will be using, bronze 2 and bronze number 4. I will apply the bronze number 4 all over her face and use bronze number 2 to highlight. This is the Luminous Wear Liquid Foundation. Most of the products that I will be using are from Mary Kay Cosmetics, so if you were ever wondering how to highlight and contour with their products, this is the video for you. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Chanel_eclectic. Now I am going in with that bronze number 2 to highlight. And I am using a kabuki brush. This is my favorite brush to apply foundation with. So here we go, we have a better angle now. So next I am going to apply my Mary Kay translucent powder on top of that bronze number 2 just to set it a little bit. Now I am going to go in with the bronze number 3 mineral powder foundation to go all over her face. So if you use translucent powder to set your highlight and you have a white cast going over it with a color, will help eliminate that. Now I am going to contour with this contour duo. I picked this up at my local beauty supply store. I'm going to go around her temples. I'm going to contour her cheeks and then put a little on her nose. Now I'm going to use this plum color blush. You want to make sure that you apply your blush to the apples of your cheeks. And then I'm going to use this bronzing powder to highlight, to give her that nice glow. I'm going to go up under my contour on the peak of her cheekbones, down the bridge of her nose, and across her forehead. And I also do the Cupid's bow and a little onto the chin just to highlight those areas. Now these are the tools that I will be using for her eyebrows. And this is the brow powder that I will use. So the first thing I like to do is brush the eyebrows. Then I apply the liner to fill in the eyebrows. And after I have them filled in, I will go and set the liner with the brow powder. A little of this goes a long way, so you do not have to use a lot of it. Now to clean up the eyebrows, I am going to go back in with those foundation colors. I am going to use the bronze number 2 up under the brow to highlight the eyelid and as a eyeshadow base. And I will use the bronze number 4 on top of the eyebrow so that it could be a natural transition, so that the top of her eyebrows are not very light. And you want to use a small concealer brush to do this so that you can make nice precise lines. So now I am going in with the brow powder. So for the eyeshadow, I will be using this Pure Minerals eyeshadow palette, and I will use that lighter color in the brow bone, the shimmering color on the lid, and the dark brown color in her outer V. She wanted a nice, simple, neutral looking look, so these are the colors that I chose. Something that would brighten up her lid but not be too dramatic. Now this is the mascara. You can really use any mascara of your liking. And now for the lip gloss, I'm just applying a nice pink gloss. And this is her gloss, that's why I am applying it straight to her lips. So this is the finished look. She also got her hair done that day, so she was feeling very beautiful. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and come back to watch more.